Program or code in Windows operating system run either in one of the two modes, that is user space or kernel space. Now it is important to understand difference between these two modes to understand Windows internals properly. First of all, user space is less privileged. What it means is it cannot directly access hardware or the resources of kernel space like its code or its data. It has limited access and it can only access to its virtual address space. Whereas kernel space is high privilege, it can access almost everything. It can access hardware, any process data, kernel data or user space data as well. So you have very high responsibility when you use kernel space, because if something goes wrong, you can actually do a big damage to your operating system or your running softwares. If exception occurs in user space, then it can only crash your single process. Whatever process you are running, that only get crashed and your operating system still be running. But if your exception occurs in kernel space, if suppose your driver get crashed or some of the kernel thread get crashed, then your whole operating system, you may need to either restart your machine or you need to reload your operating system again. You need to reinstall operating system. So it is very dangerous and error prone to do mistakes in kernel space, and that is why it is high privileged and not it is easily accessible from user space. Whenever you run any program in Windows OS, it gives you private virtual address space. That means you cannot access something out of your virtual address space, and every process gets their own virtual address space, and whatever they wanted to do, they can do in their own address space. Even some addresses are reserved for kernel space, so if you try to access those addresses, you will get crash. Simply you will get crash. You will not allowed to access those virtual addresses as well. Whereas in kernel space, you have only one single virtual address space, so there is no separation like it is happening in user space, and that is why if you do any mistake, you can crash your whole operating system. It is also important to understand that your program continuously switch between kernel mode and user mode. Suppose you make a file open request, fopen from C language, C library, then your request is going from user mode, but it is served by kernel mode, because opening file privileges are only reserved for kernel mode. So you may not aware of that fact, but your program continuously switch between user space and kernel space. So hope you understand difference between user space and kernel space. If you have any queries, comments or suggestion, please write in comment box. That will help me to create more videos and improve in next videos. Thank you very much.